Alright guys, to start off I want to show you the brushes I'm going to be using. These are the Geek Cosmetics brushes and they're in the shade Rose Gold. I love this set because the bristles are super soft and they blend out really well. So to save time, I did my brows off camera. I used my Brow Bar to Go by Gerard Cosmetics. I love this brow kit because everything is in one place and it's a very travel friendly. You get a wax and 2 different color brow powders to use on your eyebrows. Next, I'm going to be going in with Tan Lines by Makeup Geek, and this is going to be my transition shade for my lid. I'm just going to use this and lightly sweep it across my crease. To deepen that crease color, I'm going in with Brick by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. It's another light color, but it will help deepen that first crease color, and I'm applying it just underneath that first crease color as well. Now I'm going in with this deeper color by Makeup Geek. It's the color Americano, and this is going to be like my smoking color. I'm using a defined pencil brush to kind of pack it into my crease, and I'm also going to come back to this and kind of smoke out that outer corner with it as well. Now I'm going in with my NARS Creamy Concealer to cut my crease and lay a nice base for my lid color. I learned the trick to look up. It will help you cut your crease a ton faster. I learned it from a YouTuber, so yeah. Nice little trick. It helps me cut my crease so much better. Now I'm going to go in with Ritzy by Makeup Geek. I love this holographic shadow. It is so pretty. I'm just going to go ahead and pack that all over my lid using a dense packing brush. Now I'm going back in with Americano and I'm defining my outer crease, as well as I'm going to be smoking out my entire outer corner of my eye. But I'm also making sure I'm doing this below the crease color. Now I'm just going ahead and I'm blending all of that out. Blending is key to any makeup look, so you make sure you blend. For primer, I'm going to be using the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer to prime my face with. For foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite Urban Decay All Nighter Fluid Foundation in the shade 7.75. This stuff makes my skin look flawless. This is the best foundation I've had. For highlight and contour, I'm going to be using Mocha and Bamboo from the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio collection. I'm not a big fan of cream contouring. I typically do cream highlighting, but not cream contouring, but I actually don't really mind it. These sticks make it fun. It does definitely take some getting used to, but once you learn how to blend them out and you create your own technique, then I think cream contour is pretty awesome. To set my highlight, I'm using my girlfriend Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This is my absolute favorite setting powder. And then to set my contour, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder. This is just a great cheap alternative for a nice contour set. To line my eyes, I'm using the Sephora brand liquid eyeliner in the shade Black, of course. This is literally the longest process of my entire makeup routine is my eyeliner. It just takes forever. Now I'm going back in with Ritzy and Americano, and I'm just going on my lower lash line. For lashes, I'm using my all-time faves, Kara Lashes in Wispy. And for blush, I'm actually using this Milani Baked Bronzer. It just really helps to warm up my face and gives me a pretty glow. For highlights, I am using my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. This has been my favorite highlighter since I've purchased it, and I'm just hitting up my high points on my face. For lips, I'm using the MAC pencil in Strip Down. I'm also using this Stila matte lipstick, as well as my favorite Buxom gloss in Hot Toddy. Don't worry you guys, everything will be listed below if you want to try out any of these products. To set all of this makeup in place, I'm using my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day in the scent Peach. This setting spray is amazing. It keeps my makeup in place all day, and I also like to hit up my highlight after I've spritzed my face to just amp it up a little bit. And there you have it. That's my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you later. Thank you for watching.